Have you wondered what it's like to live in a luxury building in Boston? Well, today you are going to be amazed at what we're going to look at. We're at the Winthrop Center. It's called the Millennium Residences. It is literally like no other building in Boston. And today we're going to check out a few units. We're going to meet Alex and we're going to see why this building is so amazing. And don't forget, wait until the end because I'm going to show you some of the amenities of this building and it's going to blow your socks off. So let's go. Hi, Alex.
Hi, welcome back.
Thank you. It was great to see you. Thank you for meeting us today. We're going to see some amazing units.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so tell us a little bit about Millennium Residences.
Yes, this is the Millennium Residences at Winthrop Center. We're standing here in the residential lobby. So off to the side is where you pull down into the valet porte-cochere below grade. And then up this way, we'll go to the elevators to go see some homes.
Okay, I'm excited. I think you guys are excited too, right? We're gonna see some of the most luxurious condos in all of Boston.
Welcome to 5806.
Wow. Okay, this is spectacular. Okay, tell me who comes in here and is not blown away?
No one, absolutely no one. This is a 1755 square foot home. This is 2 bed, 2.5 bath. We're up here on the 58th floor overlooking the Charles River. Breathtaking views.
Wow. I cannot wait to show my clients this unit. I mean, you wouldn't even believe that we're in the heart of the financial district in Boston. Look at these views. So when you think about the design of this kitchen, what's one of the elements that you think really stands out for people?
Absolutely. So this kitchen in particular, most likely the steam oven. So this is one of our appliances that's not in every home, but one of the most well-utilized appliances for those who have it. This here will do absolutely anything that you want. It will cook in a very healthy way. This is going to be steam cooking at its finest.
Okay, so people really love to cook when they come in this kitchen, I think.
I think so. Yeah, the layout's just really conducive to cooking. You have breathtaking views from every single angle. If you're entertaining, your guests are right in front of you.
I love the openness of this floor plan. I mean, is this one of the desirable ones in the building?
Absolutely.
So how many floor plans do you have?
We have a lot of different floor plans. So we have a few atypical floor plans as well, so we can find things that are incredibly unique in this building. This is one of our typical layouts. So this you can have all the way from the 36th floor up into the 59th floor. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go check out some of those, I think, right? Absolutely.
Okay, so this is one of the most desirable floor plans. I love it because it has all this magnificent light, and we're gonna show you some of those views. When I think about the design of this building, we're obviously going to look at a couple of floor plans today, Alex, but one of the things that I read about is that it's energy efficient, and I'm seeing some differences in these windows and the curves here and the windowsills. Tell us a little bit about that.
Absolutely. So these are our large picture windows. You're going to get one of these in most homes in the building. This one here, you're seeing 5 of these all in one unit.
Yeah,
so it really does create the spectacular panoramic view of the city.
Yeah, and to this way, you look at this view. This is the Charles River.
Yes.
And that goes all the way to Cambridge and beyond. And then on this side, what are we looking at over here?
So we're sweeping over from, we're getting a little bit of a sneak view of the Boston Harbor, all of the blue hills throughout the south side of the building, down through the city, across through Back Bay, Beacon Hill, and we can see as far as, Cambridge, Harvard, MIT, and of course the signature Longfellow Bridge.
I love the bridge view.
The bridge is beautiful.
I know. Okay, so we've seen really amazing luxury buildings being built in Boston. but this one is really unique, and I think the little details which are so significant are the windows right here. So the energy efficiency of the building, but also this special angle. You can't really find this in any other building, am I right?
As far as we know, that's correct. We've done this in a couple of our buildings. It's becoming a little bit of a Millennium signature, so to speak. But these are pleats to the building, so it creates this really beautiful facade from the outside. You can see how the light reflects off the building, looking in from, if you're walking down in the Charles River, looking up. But from the inside, it also does a lot too, functionality-wise. So instead of having your view just flat against the window, you're bumping that corner out, and that's creating a little more of a sweeping view of the city. So you're maximizing what's already a stunning view in the city.
So I can imagine people actually really appreciate that difference.
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's really important. I love that. So what floor are we on now?
We're on the 50th floor. So
okay.
We're going into 5002, which is a spectacular unit. Jana with Casa Design designed this home, 5002.
Okay. This is amazing. Another great unit, great floor plan, and tons of light.
Absolutely.
Okay, so tell us about this one.
Yeah, so this home is 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. We're overlooking the Charles River again. This home has a little bit of a different layout than the 06.
Okay.
So right now we're right in the middle of the building, so we're getting above some of these city rooftops.
The views are amazing, right? Again, I think that's like a theme of the building, is that every angle and every unit has something spectacular, because I think that's the draw as well for residences. I mean, you have all these really unique things about it. So this kitchen, tell us a little bit about this. I mean, it's super luxurious.
Absolutely. So we have the same top-of-the-line appliances in all of our homes. So we use Wolf appliances. So we have a Wolf stove here, Wolf microwave, as well as induction cooktop. So induction has been the latest technology in cooking.
No, I love it. I love it. I mean, the one thing I love about this as well is all the counter space. And when you entertain, everyone wants to be in the kitchen anyway, so who would not want to be in one like this? So this is great for entertaining.
Yeah,
I love it.
This is an entertainment dream, lots of bar seating. We have a dining room over off to the side. You have living areas, so everything is just a really nice flow in this space. Additionally, the 2 bedrooms also have these breathtaking views out to the Charles River.
So can people bring in like their own designers, or do you have designers that work part of the building or can outfit their individual units?
Absolutely. So these homes are designed for you. Anything that you need to do to make this home, we want to support. So we do have a couple designers that already are doing model homes in the building. So as a client, you can come to them, you could purchase a home that is fully outfitted and designed, ready to go, or you can have them customize your home.
Okay. I love that.
Yeah,
I love having options.
In this home in particular, they have built out custom closets, so you're going to have tons of storage space, lots of place to put your, I gotta check those out. And there's 2 of those, so you're going to have 2 of these grand closets. And one thing that a designer can add a little touch to is something like this. This is a custom built-in cabinetry, so this is doubling as both a towel closet and a shoe closet.
Okay, I want to be this organized, so just to be that, I think I would definitely have to have a person to help me like downsize everything. Boston is known for being innovative and technology, and this building is all about that. So tell us a little bit how these units are outfitted. Technology, it's like super smartphone. Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so our most integrated part is our app. So we have built a proprietary app for this project, and that is Connects IQ. So Connects IQ really ties everything that's happening in the building into the palm of your hand. So if you need to call your car, if you are looking for your dry cleaning, if you're interested in upcoming events, all of those things are going to populate within the app. If you don't want to be carrying a key and you're off for a run and you're using your phone for music, you can also use your phone to access your home. So everything's programmed through to make your life really easy.
Right now we're on the 35th floor. We're at this beautiful outdoor space. Again, going on with the green theme. You've got this lush vegetation, all of these beautiful plantings. We're right off the private library. You also have this private restaurant right here. We're on the 35th floor.
Yes, we have 62 stories in this building, so we're up on 35. So this is the start of residential for this building.
Okay, 35. Okay, so what level is the amenities?
Residents also have use of the office club. So the collective is down on the 3rd floor. They have another additional 25,000 square feet of amenity space that the residents can access as well.
Okay, we're definitely going to be doing a video on that, so you guys are going to want to tune in next week because we're going to cover all of the connector and the amenities around that. It's almost like a complete different lifestyle that fits into why people choose this building. I think so, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we've seen some of the units, we've seen the amazing lobby, we've met some incredible people here at the Millennium Residences, and now we're gonna start hitting some of these amenities. And guys, like I said, the next video, we are really going to show you everything about the connector. But right now we're in this really amazing event space. And what is so unique about Winthrop Residences is how they really bring in community. And what I mean by that are the residents here actually do a lot with the community, lots of different outreach. So this space right here is designated for people who want to talk about their organization, their nonprofit. They bring in speakers from outside. They set up this space. It's really unique. We're gonna take a tour of this. You can take a look at it. But overall, we have 25,000 square feet of amazing space, from the gyms to the 75-foot long pool to the grooming area. And I mean, there's literally nothing like this in Boston. So I hope this has been fun for you. So Boston isn't only about luxury buildings, but today we are touring the Millennium Residences. I'm Katherine Kranenburg and I'm a Greater Boston area real estate agent. We put out content every week, and today this particular video is going to blow your socks off. I am so excited to be sitting in this room. This is one of the event rooms out of the 25,000 square feet of space in the Millennium Residences, connected to the Winthrop Center. And if you can just see the opulence and elegance of just the space alone, it's incredible. So this space we're in right now, the connector, is really like an extension of the residences. Am I right? Like this
Absolutely.
space.
So this area is not only an extension of the residences, but this brings the city of Boston into our building. So this space is all open to the public.
Yeah, so we're in the park that's right outside the Millennium Residences, and this is really unique as well. Tell us more about this space.
Absolutely. So this is our public park. So this is our offering to the city as helping re-landscape this area. Today, this is a special event. So this is part of our Livy program. So that program is designed for the residents. It's part of how we build community within our building, but it also expands into the city of Boston. So this event is a public event. This is Transplanted, which is an offshoot of Cityscapes. All of the proceeds go to charity here for all the plants that are sold.
That's amazing. How often is this? Like, how often do they come?
So this just happened for the first time 2 months ago. It was so popular, they're actually back here today. They brought bigger, larger house plants. Last month they had the doormen bringing bell carts of plants in for all the residents. So anything that is bought here, they can bring up to their home.
Okay guys, I told you that I would show you one of my favorite features of this building at the end, and here we go. Guys, check out this pet room space. Tell me if you've seen anything as amazing as this. Okay, if I was a dog, I would love to come here, play, get groomed. 6,500 square feet just for dogs, pets. I mean, you gotta check this out. Victor, what did you just think about what we just did?
I was thinking about this all day.
That this was gonna happen?
This was gonna happen, and I'm at a loss for words.
That's because he loves living here,
I
or love working here.
here.
I bet you get to know people a little bit just by opening the door and chatting with them.
Actually, I think I know pretty much everyone that lives here.
So let us know what you liked in this video today. Was it the condos? Was it meeting Alex? Was it the amenities that you saw in this building? Or are you looking forward to seeing more next week on our next video? I'm Katherine Kranenburg. I'm a Greater Boston area real estate agent. We would love to be your realtor of choice here in Boston or in the Greater Boston area, and we'll see you on the next video.